Hiya, it's Andy and the New Year's Eve shave. How you doing? Enjoy Christmas? Got family out of the way, got relatives back home, tidied the house up. What's the Christmas presents? Still eating turkey, still eating the chicken, still eating leftovers. Mash it up, make it into a soup. What are you doing New Year? It's Eve tonight. Yeah? You off down the pub for a few drinks and seeing the New Year in? Are you off at a party? You off around friends, relatives? Are you just staying at home? I'm just staying at home today. Just going to stay at home and not do a lot. Just enjoy the time I have. Probably watch the fireworks in London. I didn't realise, man, you have to pay for that. I think it's about 10-15 quid, isn't it, to go and watch fireworks. But yeah, no, it's supposed to be really good up there. I used to live in London, I've never been. So if you do go up there, or you've ever been, stick in the comments what you think of it. Because I've never been. I know it's crowded. Right, today, if I can find the box, I'm going to be doing that. We're going to be trying that. It is the Edwin Jagger. It's a soap refill. It's the Aloe Vera one. Aloe Vera, Mrs. got it for me ages ago. Haven't tried it. I thought I'll use the shave with the Edwin Jagger. See what it's like. I'm going to be using the Bluebeard Revenge brush, little one, and I'm going to be using the Edwin Jagger Barley razor. I need to pick up an Edwin Jagger brush, but I haven't got one. I'll do it one day. I'll get one, and then we can do an Edwin Jagger shave. I've done the other ones, so let's do it. Right, and I have been soaking it in. It came with fits really nicely actually. It came with a razor stand. It used to be I didn't like it. It was a bit too small, so that's why I bought a bowl. So let's have a look. It's blimey. That has lathered up quite well. It does fit in there. It does fit in there as well. So yeah, I'm going to be having quite a New Year, a New Year's Day as well. Got not a horrible scent. It's quite a nice scent actually. This Aloe Vera one. Yeah. Clean. Got a clean, nice clean smell to it. It doesn't help. I've got the brush. Yeah, I might have a look at the Edwin Jagger brush at some point. Get one, see what they're like. Spent a bit of the New Year. I didn't even bother putting that in the bowl, did I? Got a bowl out, I didn't need it. Oh well, never mind. I'll cut that out. Right, first pass going down today, boys and girls. Let's adjust that a bit. That's better. You can see the top of me. You can see what I'm doing. Oh, by the way, it's got a astroblade in this as well. Brand new one. Don't know before I put the camera on this morning. So everyone enjoy Christmas or have what you like to do? We did a quiet one with the missus. Decided to have a quiet Christmas. We were going to go abroad. But we decided it wasn't a good idea in the end. So we stayed indoors. That's quite slick, I quite like that. That is quite slick, quite nice. Not a horrible smell to it, it's quite nice. What do you reckon? That's quite smooth. I quite like that. And you don't need to put it in your brush either. Might need a bit more. But yeah. I should remember now not to put the that back in with the brushes, because I put the brushes on the bottom. So I drip into it. I have to remember not to do it, otherwise I'll end up with moulds or something. Oh, still wet safe anyway. What's your New Year's resolution? You got any? Or are you one of those that don't bother because you was broken? I'm one of them. I am one of them. I always break them. Oh, I go down to the gym, get myself fit. Never happens. Or I must go out for a drink with so-and-so. It never ever happens. It really annoys me. Because I'm one of those that should do it, man. Or are you one of those that actually stick to it? Yeah, do you know what I mean? If you're new to my channel, hello. If you're old to my channel, hello. It's nice to see you all, isn't it? I'm chasing a new bloke, can't you? Cut myself. It's always a bit difficult around the scar anyway. Could have done just a one shape of that, do you know what I mean? If you watch the football yesterday or rugby or... Is it darts soon? Darts soon, isn't it? Or they're of them. Used to like darts. Yeah, used to be quite good at darts, man. I did a few drinks before I started, but no. Yeah. Just having a smell, I think. Smell the out of it a minute. But that's all. I've never tried their soaps. Still a pass, and we're going up today. Bit of a sensitive skin today, I think. So it's a... What are you going to look like tonight? Dressing up? Or is it just a jump with a pair of jeans and a pair of trainers? Or is it shirt, no dad, pair of trousers, nice pair of shoes? My preferred shoes are hush puppies. I do like a good pair of hush puppies. If it's trainers, then it's something else, but if it's shoes, it's got to be hush puppies. If I'm fishing, then it's DMs. Oh, do you remember DMs when they come out? I remember when I was a kid, I always wanted a pair of DMs. Always wanted the boots, the really long legs up boots. Never happened, due to the fact that I've got a sticky out ankle and the boots were rubbing on it, so I had to give them back to the shop and buy myself a pair of DM shoes. Which is actually the shoes, I think the shoes lasted me years. I couldn't get them down in oil-based soles, weren't they? You could do anything with them. Mine didn't have steel toe caps. No, it didn't have steel toe caps in them, just normal shoes. But you could get the ones with steel toe caps in. I think I got them the second ones. The second lot of shoes I got steel toe caps, which was quite interesting, going and kicking things and not hurting your foot. Right, I'm back in a minute, I'm going to wash this off. Back again. just to show you what the soap looks like. It's got the little logo. You know, you might not be able to see it on camera, but yeah, it's got the little Edwin Jagger logo on it, which is a nice touch. Right. As Sir has cut himself yet again, I will rub myself over with Mr. Natty's Aloe block. Oh. They would sting them, didn't they? I find that stings more than the Parasso one. You've got a Parasso gel one, they do. That doesn't sting, but I seem to heal. It does seem to heal, but it does take a little bit of time to heal. My lymphedema nurse won't be happy with me because I've cut off my neck. I'm going to see them. When am I seeing those? Day after my birthday, January the 17th. So there you go. And there's me. I can say as again. That's Sayers with Aloe Vera. Or as I know, someone calls it Aloe Vera. Right, aftershave. Now this, you can't get anymore. When I bought it, it was beautiful. Put my hand behind it, there you go. It's called So for Men. You cannot get this anymore. It used to be Boots at Home. Boots at Home one's got a nice cap on it. It's got such a lovely smell. They don't make it anymore, which is a shame, because I do like. Oh, that's so refreshing. Alcohol based, of course, but that is so refreshing. If you can get hold of a bottle anywhere, have a go at getting it. I think I paid about, when it first come out, I think I paid about, they do a So Woman as well, So for Women, or they did. I think I paid about £8 for it in Boots, as I say, it is a Boots one. Beautiful, I do like it. Nice pungent smell to it. It's not overpowering. And sorry, and to finish off, I've already started doing it, haven't I? The Nivea. It's the Nivea Original Moisturising face cream. About that much. Give me some protection. No, I shouldn't do my ears, really. Oh. Right, let's recap on this New Year's Eve, what we used. We have used the Edwin Jagger soap of the Aloe Vera, which fits in quite nicely in there. That's a mixing bowl that I bought with a soap. Not a soap, with a razor stand and shaving brush. You get a little bit of bowl at the bottom. Fits in there quite nicely. They do them online, they make their own bowls for them, but come on. Right, we had the small blueberry brush. I then used Aloe Vera Sayers. I then used Mr. Natty the Aloe Vera, the Alum block. I'm all over the place today, and I haven't drunk. I'm talking about a drink. Wait 1 sec. Look at that. I made myself a cup of tea and never knew it. Then we went to So for Men, which is the old Boots one. If you can still get hold of that, that's really nice. And then to finish it off, it was the original intensive moisturiser cream from Nivea, which you can still buy. I haven't got, it looks like it's all, I haven't got I do use it. I do use it. That and Rock Face and Soho Joe seems to be my favourite so far. And that, my dear boys and girls, is it for this New Year's Eve shave. Have a good time tonight. Don't get too drunk. If you do, enjoy it. Be safe. Drive carefully. Get home safe. Let us know how your party went underneath in the comments, because I'll read them and we'll have a bit of a giggle. See how sober you are, how drunk you are, or what happened, or did the wife fall over, or did you fall over? Did you not drink? Did you stuff your face with stuff, or did you sit in the corner? Did you get to bed early? Things like that. Just let us know. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love you to subscribe. The more subscribers I get, the more competitions I'm going to try doing. Hit the bell for notifications. When I do more of these, you'll be told about it. Instead of me whining, you can just do them. A thumbs up as well, because that helps. And I will see you next Sunday in 2019. Stay safe. Have a good New Year's do if you're having one. If not, and you're chilling like me, enjoy it. I will see you next Sunday. Bye.